this video, you'll learn how to turn on two-step verification on Google. If you find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. To do this, go to google.com. You can do this on your PC, tablet or phone. I'm using my phone for this example. Once you're on google.com, go to the top right and tap on your profile picture. Then scroll down and click on More Settings in the bottom left. Next, scroll down again and click on Google Account Settings, also in the bottom left. Now scroll the top menu to the right until you see the Security tab. Click on it. Once you're in the Security tab, scroll down until you see How you sign in to Google. At the bottom of that section, you'll see that two-step verification is currently off. Tap on it. You'll now see a button that says Turn on two-step verification. Go ahead and click on it. Once you complete the steps, you'll see a message saying, "You're now protected with two-step verification." And that's it. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.